Hello, language learners. Welcome back to Think in English. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to join our fluency journey together. Welcome to episode 2 of our series on mastering English fluency through chunking and shadowing. I'm so excited to have you here, and trust me, today is going to be a game changer for your English speaking skills. You know that feeling when you've got all the words in your head, but when it's time to speak, everything just gets jumbled? Frustrating, right? Well, hang tight, because we're about to flip that script. The chunking method is like your secret sauce for sounding like a native speaker, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, let's dive into what chunking really means. Instead of getting bogged down by thinking word by word, we're going to train your brain to process language in meaningful groups or chunks. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. You'll zoom through conversations with ease. Now, what's really cool about today's practice is that we're mixing chunking with shadowing techniques. Think of shadowing as being a language detective. You're not just repeating words, you're capturing the rhythm, intonation, and natural flow of English speech. It's all about getting that musical quality of language, you know? Let me show you how this works with a real-life conversation. Listen closely as I break this down for you. I've been thinking about taking a cooking class next weekend. But I'm not sure if I'll have time. Did you catch that? Each chunk carries a complete thought, which is how native speakers naturally organize their speech. Now, it's your turn to practice. I'll say each chunk, and you'll shadow me, matching my pace and intonation exactly. Ready? Let's go. Remember, fluency isn't about racing through your words, it's about speaking smoothly and confidently. When you use chunking, your brain processes information more efficiently, which helps eliminate those awkward pauses that can make you feel self-conscious. Let's try another example, this time from a business context. Could you please send me the report by tomorrow morning? I need to review it before the meeting. Now it's your turn again. Hit pause on the video and practice this sentence using the chunks we've marked. Focus on keeping that natural rhythm within each chunk. You got this. Here's a pro tip: record yourself while practicing these chunks. Seriously, it's super helpful. Listen back and compare your rhythm to mine. Are you keeping the same flow? Are your pauses feeling natural? This kind of self-awareness is crucial for your improvement. The beauty of the chunking method is that it works with any type of content. Whether you're giving a presentation, chatting with friends, or even nailing a job interview, chunking helps you maintain that natural English flow. It's like having a handy toolkit for every situation. Let's explore some common scenarios where chunking can really save the day. Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the nearest subway station? I'd love to join you, but I'm actually meeting someone for coffee later today. The project deadline has been extended to next Friday, which gives us more time to prepare. Try practicing these examples multiple times. Notice how the chunks help you breathe naturally while speaking? That's because they're aligned with how our brains process information. It just feels right. Now, here's your homework for this week. Choose a short YouTube video featuring native English speakers. Turn on the subtitles, identify the natural chunks in their speech, and practice shadowing them. Just start with 5 minutes a day. Remember, consistency is key. Becoming fluent in English is a journey, not a sprint. The chunking method is your roadmap to natural, confident speech. In just 90 days of consistent practice, you'll be amazed at how much more fluently you can express yourself. Trust me on this. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review today's key takeaways. Chunk your speech into meaningful groups. Shadow native speakers to capture that natural rhythm. Practice regularly with real-life conversations. Record yourself and analyze your progress. Focus on smooth delivery rather than speed. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Seriously, it means a lot. Hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest fluency tips and techniques. And hey, share this video with friends who are also on their English learning journey. Let's spread the knowledge. In our next episode, we'll dive deeper into advanced chunking strategies and tackle more complex conversation scenarios. I can't wait to see you there. Until then, keep practicing these techniques, and remember, every chunk brings you closer to English fluency. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy your learning journey. You're doing amazing.